see that table, TP equal to AP times number of workers. So for row number 1, 1 times with 5, we get 5. For row number 2, 2 times 7, we can get 14. So this is a total product, 5, 40, 30, 44, 50 and 54. So for a marginal product, MP is the difference between two successive numbers in the TP column. So 5, 40 minus 5, we get 9, and so on. Law of DMR start working when MP start decreasing. As we can see from the table, it happen when the firm hires the 4 workers. Law of DMR is present only in the short run when some of the firm inputs are fixed. Grazing range has limit space and probably fixed amount of equipment. As a result, as more workers are hired, there will eventually be shortage of space or equipment to work with. The capital labor ratio will no longer be optimal, and the increase in the output attribute to an additional worker start to decrease. The 5th worker does not add as much to the output as the 4th worker does. However, this does not necessarily mean that hiring him is a bad idea. Once again, everything will depend on how much a worker costs and what is the dollar value of his marginal product. So Mr. Wei Jr. may be wrong. 3 workers cost the firm 3 times 200 $200 equal to 600. That is our total labor cost. To determine the average cost, we need to divide total cost by the number of car fixed with 3 workers employed. 30 costs are fixed daily. The average labor cost of fixing car is 600 divided by 30, and we get 20. FC equal to AFC times Q. So for instance, 50 times with 1 equal to 50, and 6.25 times with 8, we get 50. ATC equal to AFC plus AVC. For 5 unit of output, ATC equal to 10 times 10 plus with 68, and we get 78. TC equal to ATC times with Q equal to AFC plus AVC times with Q. For 4 unit of output, TC equal to 12.5 plus 65 times with 4. We get the answer is 310. Another way would be calculate is VC equal to 65 times with 4 equal to 260, and is to FC equal to 50 obtained in part to get TC equal to 310. No output minus no variable cost. The firm cost will then be limit to its fixed cost. TC equal to FC equal to 50. One way is to calculate the total cost of 6 unit and of 7 unit following any of the procedure in part C, and then find the difference. A somewhat shorter way is to recognize that FC does not depend on output and calculate the marginal cost of the 7 unit as MC. MC7 equal to VC7 minus VC6 equal to AVC7 times 7 minus AVC6 times 6 equal to 80 times 7 minus 733.33 times 6 equal to 560 minus 440 equal to 120. The answer is true. MC equal to price of input, or MP. Since the price of input is constant, a decrease in MP will cause MC to increase. The answer is A. 5 million penalty charged to each cigarette maker. Fourth, in the short run, some input are fixed while some are variable. A change in the amount of variable input used will cause the output to increase.